Alright, hello everybody. Welcome back to another video. Today we're in the basement just showing around. Have a look right there. Just showing the fire alarms down here. The fire alarm we have right here is the System Center Spectra Alert Classic. It's 1575 Candela. You can see here it is. Now this is the fire alarm on this side of the basement. Now, on the other side of the basement, there is another fire alarm. I'll show you which one that is. Right here. Now, this one is a System Center P2R Spectra Alert Advanced. This one is also 1575 Candela. Might be really hard to see, but it's 1575 Candela. And here's this one. A little different than the other one, but Alright, so this is the fire alarm on this side of the basement. We're going to be giving the fire alarms a test so you can hear what the fire alarms sound like down here. It might be loud, so just a little warning. Turn your volume down, but I'm going to give it a test so you guys can hear it.